The G7es Zaunkönig was an acoustic torpedo employed by German U-boats during World War II. It was called the GNAT by the British. Description: the forerunner of the Zaunkönig was the G7es Falk, codename Falcon, which was introduced in March 1943, but only fired by 3 U-boats by September of that year when the G7es became available. The torpedo was electric and had an effective range of 5,700 meters at a speed of 24 knots. This torpedo employed passive acoustic homing to find its target, becoming active after a straight run of 400 meters. The homing mechanism consisted of 2 hydrophone receivers which sensed the sound waves of ship propellers and altered the direction of the rudder via an electro-pneumatic device. There were 3 variants, 2 flat-nosed versions which contained 4 sets of magnetostriction hydrophones, a round-nosed version which contained 2 magnetostriction hydrophones inside a funnel-shaped baffle. The 400 meters limit was employed for safety reasons, even though there were at least 2 unconfirmed instances of U-boats sinking after being hit by their own torpedo. This risk was later mitigated by requiring submarines to dive to 60 meters and go completely silent after launching acoustic torpedoes. The first 80 TVs were delivered on the 1st of August 1943, and the weapon was first used in September. Despite some success, in particular sinking destroyers and corvettes, the Zaunkönig often detonated behind the enemy ship because the acoustic steering was very imprecise. This was particularly evident at its first large-scale use from 20 to 24 September 1943 in the attacks on convoy on 202. The commanders reported a number of torpedo strikes and recorded the sinking of 9 commercial steamers and 12 escort ships after the battle. In fact, only 6 merchant ships and 3 escort vessels, a destroyer, a frigate and a corvette were sunk. A total of 640 TVs were fired in combat, sinking 45 ships. The Zaunkönig was countered by the introduction by the Allies of the Fokker noisemaker. The Zaunkönig was nicknamed Zerstörnacker by the German submariners, as it was especially used against convoy escorts.